On today's episode of Planet Mina, we will attempt to turn our geese temporarily into a giraffe. Because who doesn't love giraffes? The package contains a formula for a giraffe and a mystery animal, probably a bunny rabbit or a kangaroo. You can clearly see the giraffe prints coming through on Lola's feathers. And it appears that Gabby's mystery animal is a dangerous carnivore from the Amazon. This will either be one of the greatest scientific achievements of this century, or Zach will be eaten by his creation.